Hello guys, I'm here at my house right now with my roommates, as you can see over there. Isaac, Zach.
Yeah, what's up?
Zach actually looks like Muse Productions. If you go to Muse Productions, that guy right there looks exactly like him, okay? So if you go to Muse Productions, that's his twin right there. Check it out. And I know you're not, but it's just funny as hell.
I actually kind of don't really look like him. You just made
Yeah, you do.
connection.
Look at that. Look at him. Now go to Muse Productions right now. Well, after my video, and type in Muse Productions YouTube, and you'll see him. He looks like him.
Tell me how to spell it. M-U.
M-U. I'll put a little link or something there so you could see how it's spelled, and you can subscribe to him. I don't care.
You gotta get a close up of Moose.
Yeah. Well, hold on, right here.
Okay.
Come on, Moose. Come on. Take off your glasses.
Yeah, because he doesn't have glasses.
Take off your glasses.
I wear glasses though.
There he is. That's Moose, and his name is Moose.
It's a nickname. My name is Zach.
Yeah, well, his name's Zach, but we call him Moose. And what's funny is that YouTuber is Muse, and they look exactly alike.
You don't look Zach.
Yes. Well, this video is meant for my new flip camcorder that I just got about a few days ago. I'm just testing it out. You're gonna see my ride home from my bike. It's a pretty good adventure, I guess. And so check it out, and I'll see you back in a bit. Bye. I'm on my way home on my bike, as you can see. Riding my bike, I'm gonna show you the way I go home, and it's gonna be a pretty good adventure, I think. I hope. Well, enjoy the ride. Okay, gotta stop. Gotta let all these cars pass. Here we go again. I'm going home. No hands. No hands. Peace out, guys. Right on my back, there's the freeway right there, as you can see. It's a little creek or river, whatever you want to call it. It's a beautiful day, actually. Quite beautiful day, huh? Someone over there, let's zoom in. Did you see that guy? Did you see that? That was a cholo. That was a cholo walking. That was a cholo, guys. No, I'm just playing, it wasn't a cholo. But I'm almost home. I'm getting tired, as you can see. I'm just pedaling and pedaling. This is not hard to do. I mean, as long as you have perfect balance, you won't fall. I'm gonna give a turn right here. Look at that. of all that. Now I'm going home. I'm almost home, guys. I'm actually supposed to be riding there, but I'm not, because I don't want to get hit by one of these cars. You know what I mean? I wouldn't want to get hit by that Mustang. It's not my thing. Ooh, alley. See that alley? It's a bumpy ride, guys. I'm sorry. Another alley. Ooh, motorcycle. I'm getting tired. I'm gonna turn off the camera, guys, because it's kind of hard pedaling with one arm. I need to get up and get some momentum. Well, thanks, guys. I'll see you later. Have a good day. Peace, love, and harmony. Bye. And I'm back, guys. Thanks for watching that long video. It was about 7 to 8 minutes long. It was just for me to check how good this flip camcorder records. And it's pretty good, actually. Put any comments, what you think, how the quality is. This is my first flip camcorder, so I'm pretty excited that I'm actually starting to use it now. Isaac is just playing video games like always. Anyways, I should be making a little bit more videos with my roommates, my Perfectly Productions crew. Look us up, Google us. We're actually in Google, Perfectly Productions. We have a MySpace page, and we have our own website that my roommate Carl is working on. Still, he's been working on it for a while, but it's coming along. So check out Perfectly Productions and subscribe, comment, and rate, please, guys. Please, guys. Please, guys. And thank you for watching. Hope I didn't bore you all. But then again, it was just to check my camera. Peace, love, and harmony. Peace. Bye.